are going to ride the Ferris wheel for the first time in Hong Kong. So, see you guys later. Samahan nyo kami mag-enjoy. Bye. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. You see, so many people wants to ride the very big Ferris wheel in Hong Kong. We're here in AIA at the Central Ferry. Yes, that's it. And look at the view, and the weather is good. And have so many families wants to enjoy the Ferris wheel ride, and we are one of them. Okay, as you can see. So for the first time, we're going to try it. Oh. Guys. Look at the view down
Mura
there.
lang naman pala, 20 lang naman eh.
Yes,
sa, mahigit na 2 taon, ngayon lang ako nasakay.
Yes.
Nakalain mo.
Guys, I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, actually.
Buti may sikat akong kasama, sikat na vlogger. I-an mo ulit, i-plug mo ulit. Pilingan naman tayo.
Bakit
Sikat ako
ba?
kasamang vlogger.
Piste. Nakafocus? Pwede mong slide lang, ha?
Ay, yeah. Yan, nasa likod na pala kami nito. Behind. Teka, ayos ko yung bag ko.
Hey guys, that's the view down there. Okay, this is my beautiful friend. Minakasama ko siya. And actually, I'm very afraid to look down there because I'm afraid it might get boom. The people said 15 minutes if have emergency, just press that emergency button. But I feel like I do have an emergency now because I feel vomiting. I'm not feeling well. Actually, my tummy is going to, it's like going to burst. Oh my god. Hey. Do you want to try that carousel ride, ate? Ate, do you want to try that carousel ride over there? Just for fun. Why not try to be a kid? Just for today. Oh, that's the view. Why it's very fast? Not even 15 minutes. Is that over already?
I don't think so. I hope not.
No, I
Ay,
can't.
may wear mask daw, huy! Wear ka daw ng mask. O, tingnan mo, may please kalawakan.
Sabi ko na, isisitayin ako.
Sa taas ka lang mag-ano.
La, 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 la. Literal na mahangin sa labas yung buhok ko, guys.
Oo, tama, Diana. Hindi ganong mainit. Feel lang mahangin lang, pero maganda panahon.
I hope that the weather
sandali.
for tomorrow
Ganyan lang.
will be the
Nakalive
same
yan na.
as now.
Baba mo ng konti. Yan. Pag ganun.
Why don't you buy your own selfie stick?
I have on my own. I have my own and I left it on the boarding house.
Tomorrow you need to bring it.
Eh, gusto mo with stand?
Yeah.
Ayan, diba?
You make me a human stand.
Ay, kunan mo naman pala ako, kukunan kita. I-finish na natin to.
Ikaw, naka-ano ako para sa premiere ko.
Oo. Oy, nawala tuloy. Pag mahaba na.
Ah, pag mahaba, pinuputol?
Nawala eh.
Oh, buti na lang hindi ako naka-live sa ano.
At saka ano
I never
to?
tried.
Hindi, tsaka ano to, yung ano.
I never tried Gold Life for a very, very
Walang kuha
long
ko lang na ako
time.
hanggat na nandito.
FB. I want to... Kunan mo nga ako, ganito
Ayan,
yung
sige.
post. Gandahan mo ha, gandara. Eh, maganda siya dito eh. Gandahan mo naman, hindi yung puro chan.
Pwede ka natin ng katawan. O, ayan na, sige. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yun, manananggal? I remember my
Alam na
son.
ako. Yes.
Yeah, why not?
Dito.
Kailangan naka number 4.
Siyempre. Ay, teka, tanggalin natin.
Whoa! Someone will not... Hey,
One, two,
hey.
three,
1, 2, 3. Legs, 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 legs mo ay nakakasilaw. Ah.
Para magkaroon ng
Then
time
someone
ng
will...
solo.
Then someone will knock at the
Kasi
door.
ang ganda. Ayun.
Sabi
Sino
ko,
po yung shoes ko? Ano ba yun?
eh di sana pala puro shoes na lang pinakuha mo sa akin.
Nandose. Alam ba na tayo?
Now?
Malamang.
Yun na yun. I'm not even satisfied. You know.
Parang bumabalik na naman yung katawan ko.
Tumataba. Kailan ko sa akin, 60 pa rin. Anyone can give me a tips on how to be slim. Until now, I'm still 60 kilos. Pwede na para na akong baboy. Pwede na akong ibenta. Ang dali magpataba, ang hirap magpapayat. Gosh. Can anyone give me easy steps to lose weight? Please.
Naman pala eh.
What's that?
Isa pa. But 2 seconds na.
What's
Or
that
5
2
minutes.
seconds? You know what, Ate Sha? Sometimes it feels good to feel like a child. To be back at your childhood. No? Parang sang pagkatapos na nakaka-stress na trabaho for the whole week, then you need find time for yourself na mag-unwind with friends, pasyal-pasyal.
Sa iba na. Dito naman tayo sa ibang angulo. Ay, baruga na ka.
Hello, that's it. Yun na yun. Ate Sha, kumusta love life mo?
Sus, Mario, Josep, ipatayin mo yan. Sabihin mo. O, di ba? Wala. Ay, dito na tayo.
This is it?
Isa pa, 3 rounds yan eh.
Really?
Oh, yan, 3 rounds. O, di ba? Pwede pa.
Kwentuhan mo ako sa life mo, Ate Sha.
Ay, naku.
Yung mga ano lang
Ay, naku,
is...
hindi pwede. Asan ako?
Hindi naman. Kaya nga sa asawa mo.
Ay, naku. Walang...
Ilan anak mo, Ate Sha? Talaga? Napaka...
Huwag lang sarili. Ayaw mo eh. Busy ka dyan. Ayun na, bumabalik kami. Akala ko bumabalik kami.
Yes, I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. And you guys should be busy to watching over there.
Yung ganda to yun eh. Sa tamitan na.
Parang gusto ko dito banda. Umaura. O, diba? Aurahan mo to siya. You know what? Gusto kong tanggalin yung mask ko, but someone will knock at the door again and wear your mask. Diba?
Kita pa rin bravo dito.
No one is watching. It's okay. It's
Yung
fine.
hangin ano,
Yeah.
yung bravo kumagi.
That's fine. Just us. What's that? Oh my god, my other phone is falling down. London Bridge. Oh. The screen. Uh-oh. My other phone is falling. Paita sa dimong life. Oy, lami kayo siya. Kita na da yes, die. Silly. Tamsa katikit na din po. Keep safe. Fair. Actually, my other phone is falling, so I need to put back. And aurahan mo na, baka ito na yung huling round na.
Oh, last one.
This is the last one. Okay guys, huwag yun ang pansinin yung bilbil ko ha. Alam ko mataba ako. Umaaura lang ako. Why not? Saan ba magandang view? Someone is over there. I want to take a photos.
Ayun. Pag isang minuto lang, nagano siya ng save.
Oh, so may save pag 1 minute lang.
May nakalagay yun. Nice, you went live for 1 minute.
Ah, so I go live for
More
almost
than-
a minute. So kaya siguro walang live.
Ayan na. Pag na-over na siya,
Wala na siyang save.
sinubukan ko na.
Oh, kaya pala wala akong save. Sayang naman, ang ganda pa naman.
Sayang,
yung
haba pa
buhay.
na mo.
Kaya nga. Pwede bang ganun? Kumuha ng pagganon. Talagang aurahan, no? Ang hirap naman kumuha ng anggulo. Wala? Nakakuha sa video. Naka-video pala ako. Akala ko photo-photo lang.
Malabas siya.
Sorry ah. Nice. Ayan. Tapos na yung ride namin ever. So, bababa na kami. Oh. Masyado ako excited. Oh, that way.
Thank you.
Thank you. I need to go fresh air. So, ayan. Frustrated siya. Yung kasama ko masyadong excited. Ay, sorry. Masyadong excited. Lumabas. Ito naman, alam ko naman yung daan. Talaga.
Kailangan sasawayin pa na.
Ha?
Kailangan sawayin ka pa, no?
Hindi naman, grabe
Opo
ka.
tayo.
Parang gusto ko yung sa kanila nakahiga. Alam mo, gusto kong sumakay dyan, no? Gusto ko sumakay dyan. Kaso si ate siya ayaw.
Wala na akong pera, sagutin mo.
How much is that one? Let's see. No, it's not. May iba. Gusto ko sumakay dyan, no? Yan. Gusto ko sakyan yan. How much is the adult?
看看，走吧，我们去前面看一眼。
Oh. $30.
Sagot mo.
Mas mahal?
Tayo tumaan, papay ko to.
No, here na lang oh. May pwede humiga sa ano.
Sige, sa damo.
Oo, yes. I want to... Doon, masyado namang front eh. Doon na lang.
O, ikaw bahala ka. Kaya ka lang.
Nagtatalo pa kami kung saan. Mas type ko kasi humiga. Gusto ko ma-flat yung back ko. Oh, ito yun. May dinosaur. I saw someone is lying down in there. I want to lie down also. Where are they? Alam ko may naka-ade. What? Where are you? Gutom na ako. Here, gusto ko umiga sa grass. Umiga sa grass. Here! I want to lie down. Here. Gusto ko humiga. Like them. Yan yung sinakyan namin. Medyo nangilo-hilo ako kanina. And now, I want to ride into that, the carousel ride. I want to try the carousel ride, but guess what? It's too expensive. It's $30 for one ride. Expensive than the Ferris wheel, so hindi kami natuloy.
Happy birthday! Grabe! Happy birthday! May pa-fireworks! Happy birthday, sister! Happy birthday! Grabe! May pa-fireworks!
Bongga ng birthday, may fireworks.
Alam na kaya na namin, sister! Nakagulat naman. Nagbilang-bilang lang. Ay, tapos bigla, no?
Wala ko nakita nagbilang. Saan ba nagbilang?
Sa HSBC kanina.
Meron.
Happy ka surprise namin. Ay, salamat sa surprise, ha?
Happy Mooncake Festival. Wala na? Yan lang yun?